Ever pondered how your garden choices could contribute to global sustainability? Well, the answer might be right under your nose, in the form of native plants. Native plants, as the name suggests, are plants indigenous to a specific region. They've evolved over thousands of years, perfectly adapted to their local environment. This makes them a sustainable choice for landscaping, as they require less water, fewer fertilizers, and minimal care compared to exotic species. The benefits of landscaping with native plants extend beyond your garden's boundaries. They provide shelter and food for local wildlife, contributing to biodiversity. They also help to preserve the natural heritage of a region, maintaining the ecological balance. But how do you start landscaping with native plants? Start by researching the native plants in your area. Visit a local nursery, or better yet, a native plant sale. Once you've selected your plants, consider their needs. Some might prefer sun, others shade. Some might need well-drained soil, others might thrive in wetter conditions. So, why not make your garden a sanctuary for native plants? It's an effortless way to contribute to a more sustainable world, while also creating a unique and beautiful landscape. And remember, every garden, no matter how small, can make a difference. So go ahead, give native plants a chance to shine in your garden.